Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you a quick and easy way to merge PDFs on macOS. First, select the PDFs you want to merge. You can do this by clicking and dragging a selection box around the documents or by holding the Command key and clicking each document individually. Once you've selected the PDFs, right-click on any one of them. Then, go to Quick Actions, and select Create PDF. A new PDF will be created. It will either be named after one of your original PDFs or a combination of their names. When you open this new document, you'll see that all your separate PDFs have been merged into a single file. Don't worry, your original PDFs will remain in their original locations and remain unchanged. One thing to keep in mind: if you try to merge a locked or encrypted PDF with an unlocked one, the merge will appear to succeed, but the locked document will show up as blank in the merged file. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel out. For more macOS tips, tricks, and advice, subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.